आदाब नाजरीन, सैयारा न्यूज़ टीवी में आपका खैर मकदम है। मैं आपका दोस्त सैयद अफरोज। आइए देखते हैं कुछ खबरें।
शमशाबाद में कॉस्मो मोटर्स रॉयल इनफील्ड शोरूम की जानिब से तकरीबन 100 से ज़ायद रॉयल इनफील्ड गाड़ियों के राइड्स को गोवा में मुनक़िद होने वाले इवेंट के लिए इफ्तिखार अहमद शरीफ दोहरी शहरियत के लिए हामिल पहले हिंदुस्तानी शहरी ने हरी झंडी दिखाकर रवाना किया। 18, 19 और 20 नवंबर को गोवा इवेंट में शिरकत कर रहे हैं। इस मौके पर कॉस्मो मोटर्स मैनेजिंग पार्टनर किशन अहमद भी मौजूद थे।
Good morning, riders, boys, men, and ladies of the journey. On behalf of Cosmo Motors, Cosmo Enfield dealer in Shamshabad, we are happy to gather first time in Shamshabad with all the riders here in Shamshabad, my native town. I'm so happy about it that first time such an event is being held. Though we have seen international events of different other companies, whether it's BMW, Honda, or Harley Davidson, they're very well organized. My only concern is to the riders to be safe in driving. So enjoy the ride. It is not about going fast or going slow. Enjoy your ride and go very steadily and just watch the traffic. I really wish, like in other countries, the police gives full support. We will definitely request the government of Telangana and other states that next time there should be a police support to watch for the riders, because their safety is more important. And this is a sports, it is not like any political rally or anything. This is a sports rally. So definitely they should be taken care. Once again, I welcome you all to the Shamshabad, and I heard that from here they will be stopping at Raichur. That happens to be my in-laws place. So any help there, I will always provide you. And I'm happy that you all are starting from Shamshabad, Hyderabad, and all the riders, the coach, the captains, and everyone. There should be a unity, and take care of your safety first. Nothing else is important than the safety. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.
तो जैसा कि आपने देखा नाजरीन, क्या हो रहा है देश और दुनिया में। इसी तरह के लेटेस्ट न्यूज़ देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल को लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए, सब्सक्राइब करिए और हमें दीजिए इजाज़त।